What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's episode we're doing a GSXR 750 with a cat delete and an ECU Flash. So these bikes, when you take the factory catalytic converter off of them, they have a really bad, I guess you would say, dead spot from 3,000 to 5,000 RPMs. They really stumble. In other words, when you're riding and just cruising along, they really struggle to go. We're going to show how we fix all that today, and then we're also going to get some more horsepower out of it with this ECU Flash. This bike has 5,000 miles on it. It is a 2019 model. Has just regular pump gas, stock air filter, stock everything. Pretty much this is the first modification he's ever done to it. Bone stock bike, we're going to see what a GSXR 750 is capable of. I did forget my GoPro today that I always use for our normal camera. So I am using my Samsung Note 10 cell phone and the old trusty tripod. So anyways, hopefully the video comes out good quality. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. Click subscribe, click the notification bell so you get the notifications every time we upload a video. I do all kind of fun stuff right now with the corona pandemic, blah, blah, blah. Hadn't been able to do a whole lot of fun stuff. We've been doing a lot of dyno tunes. We've been staying super busy here at the shop, and I do want to thank you guys for that. YouTube has contributed a lot to that, upping, I guess you say, more views, more customers, more business for us, keeping me super, super busy, working me to death, but we love it, and I do want to say thank you. All right, guys, that's it. Let's get this thing fired up and see what it's got. Alright, first pull, we got the engine warmed up. This is a baseline pull just to see what we got. Alright, so on that first pull, we made 126 horsepower. Nice and smooth, but you see how lean the bike was? The air-fuel ratio, crazy leans in the 15s and 16s in the lower RPMs, and like 14.0 in the upper RPMs. So for those of you who know what that means, you know how lean it is. For those of you who don't know how lean that is, that's way lean. In other words, I'm not going to say close to damaging the engine, but definitely lacking horsepower and not good for the engine. So we're going to throw some fuel at it, smooth this thing out, and see what we can get. Alright, so for those of you at home who have a GSXR 750 and may be interested in getting your ECU flashed, it is a super simple process on this bike. You're going to lift the gas tank up, and then on top of the air box there's a small plate that sits right here. You'll have to have a 10mm socket. You'll remove these two, or there's 3 bolts that hold it in, and then the ECU actually sits right here in front of the air box. You'll just unplug this and follow all the instructions on moremafia.com to send that in to get your bike flashed and tuned just like this one, and the price for that is only $210 with return shipping. So if you have any more questions, you could hit us up on moremafia.com. Alright, so we got the ECU Flash. We're about to plug it in and see what we got. so after a couple pulls, I've got the air-fuel ratio exactly where I want it. I didn't record every single pull. Didn't want to bore you guys to death. It takes quite a little while getting the low range, mid range, all that stuff dialed in on these things. And we don't want you to get bored. Anyway, so I got the camera set up towards the rear of the bike. I want you to hear this M4 exhaust scream. If you have a GSXR 600 or 750 and you do not have a cat delete and some sort of exhaust, you're missing out. You gotta do that. All right, guys, here we go. Looking very smooth. We just made 131.55 horsepower, and it's steady getting smoother and smoother. You can see we've got our air-fuel ratio almost a nice perfect curve now, nice and flat all the way across the screen. We're gonna fix that around 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs, fix that little hump, and this bike is ready to go. For those of you who enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. For one, like the video, smash the like button. 2, subscribe, then click the bell. So that's gonna give you notifications anytime we do other videos like this, or we may be doing fun goof off videos, who knows. I did just get a new hot rod car. We will be unveiling that in the next video, but like I said, I did finally pick up another toy. We got it's not the Viper and GTR replacement, this is just kind of a new fun toy that I'm adding in, and we're still going to add another one, guys. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that action. But anyways, appreciate you watching, guys. Check out moremafia.com. We got hats, shirts, stickers, t-shirts, all kind of stuff. Support the channel, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. See you. Hold on, guys. We're not done yet. So I kept playing with it. Ended up squeezing some more horsepower out of it. Made 133.71. So let me go back and delete. Look how smooth that power curve is. That's what you want to see. 133.71 out of a 750. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.